In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Notion desktop app not loading 5 minutes. If Notion gets stuck on a blank screen or keeps spinning on loading, don't worry. We're going to walk through a simple sequence that tackles the most common culprits so you can get back to your notes and projects quickly. Start by opening your web browser and clicking the three dots menu in the top corner to access the main menu. Go into settings, then find the privacy and security section. This is where the browser keeps cached files and cookies that can become outdated or corrupted, which often causes apps like Notion to stall. Choose the option to clear or delete browsing data. When the dialog opens, set the time range to all time so you fully reset any stale data. Select cached images and files and include cookies or site data if that appears, then confirm to delete. This won't remove bookmarks or downloads, but it may sign you out of websites. No problem, you can sign back in later. Close and reopen the browser afterward and try loading Notion again. If it still doesn't load, try a different web browser to see if the issue is specific to the one you're using. Sometimes a particular browser's extensions, flags, or security settings interfere with Notion. If Notion opens in another browser, you've confirmed the issue is isolated to the first one. As a quick check, you can also test in a private or incognito window, which disables most extensions. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Even a brief drop or an unusually slow connection can make Notion appear stuck. Open a few other sites or stream a short clip to confirm your connection is working reliably, then return to Notion. Temporarily disable any VPN, firewall, or security software that might be filtering Notion's traffic. These tools are helpful, but they can sometimes block the resources Notion needs to render. Turn them off just long enough to test and be sure to re-enable them right away. If Notion only loads when they're off, add an allow list exception for Notion within that tool or consult its support documentation for safe configuration. Finally, if you're using the desktop app, uninstall it completely and reinstall the latest version from the official Notion website. A fresh install replaces corrupted files and refreshes the local cache the app relies on. After reinstalling, open the app, sign back in, and check your pages. Walk through these steps in order, and you should see Notion load normally again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to a smooth, distraction-free workflow.